So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Here's what I'm going to have for lunch today. I have some hummus there and some tortilla chips. This is what I'm going to have for my lunch. Good. Let me know if you're a hummus fan. Hummus is really good for you, and it's very easy to make. I didn't make this hummus. This hummus is from Costco. So my darlings, I made this shrimp pasta again. The last time I made it, it was so good. And it's very, very simple. It's just spaghetti noodles, shrimp that I cooked up, and with garlic butter and lemon juice and ground pepper, and I chopped some fresh parsley on there. And then I took the shrimp out, and after the spaghetti was cooked, I put the spaghetti into the pan that I fried the shrimp into, and put a little bit more lemon juice on there, and voila. So easy, but yet so yummy if you love shrimp. So this is what I'm having for lunch today. So we're back, my darlings, for, I guess I would say, what's for dinner, or what's for dinner, not really for what's for dinner tonight, but what I'm having for lunch. My hubby picked these up for me from Costco. It's the Maine lobster ravioli, and I've been wanting to try this for so long. Sorry for the glare there. So now I'm going to get to try these, and it was so nice of him. He said that I could use these for like my lunches or whatever. So this is the first time I'm ever trying this. It's lobster and ravioli. I heard that these were good. So I've got my pot ready there, and then I'm going to make a sauce for this. And I'm really excited because if you've been following me for any length of time, you know I love anything, like pretty much anything seafood, but most like lobster and shrimp and that kind of thing, and fish. And so we're going to try making these, and thanks to hubby for getting this for me. I really can't wait to try this out. Oh, and I just kind of wanted to show you what it's looking like outside. It is finally snowing out. I know it looks like it's rain on the window there, but it is snowing. Here's my sauce that I made. Just some like strained tomatoes, a little bit of strained tomatoes, garlic butter, and fresh garlic in there. And then a little bit of flour just to thicken it up a little bit, and then some cream. And here's the ravioli coming here. And there's the sauce, and a little bit of chicken broth. So here it is, my darlings, the Costco lobster ravioli. And that's a sauce I did on my own. Like I said, it's like a strained tomatoes, a little bit of strained tomatoes, garlic butter, and fresh garlic. A little chicken broth, just a little bit, and pepper, salt, a little bit of cream, and you like mix all that together. And I put a little flour too to thicken it up a bit. So here it is. I'll let you know how I like it, because this is my first time going to be trying this, so I'm really looking forward to it. You know how much I love, like I just said, lobster and all that, and shrimp. And so let me know. Oh yeah, let me know if you guys have tried this from the Costco. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. Okay, yum yum yum. Oh, and this is not the whole container. You get two like tubs of it. I'm saving some for another lunch. This is just some of it. I'm not having the whole thing for my lunch, just to let you know. OMG, my darlings, I'm back. I had to come back on here and tell you guys somewhat in person. This is unbelievable. I would buy this again. This is so good, and I was a little bit worried that I didn't know if my sauce would help it or not, like if it would make it bad. But this, not to toot my own horn or anything like that, but the sauce does go nicely with it, and it was very easy to do the sauce. So this is, oh my gosh, and I'm going to show you my, here's what I have left over, so I have another meal. But if you can get this at Costco, and you like lobster and that, I would pick it up. It is so good, and you could probably even do it with a creamy sauce if you wanted, like a white sauce or whatever. But, oh my god, I gotta go. I gotta eat this. It's so good. So, my darlings, here's another, what I'm having for my lunch. and this will be the first time I'm sharing with you. I got a Foodie Ninja for air fryer for Christmas, and this is the first item I'm showing you. We've been using it and we really like it, and this, I did salmon for the first time, and this is how it turned out, and it was air fried, and I just put on a little bit of rice that I made up, and so this is what I'm having for my lunch today. Good. And yes, hubby and I are really enjoying the Ninja Foodie. And if you just come over here, I actually cooked up another one in there, another salmon. So did it well. Good. Let me know what you like to cook in your Ninja Foodies. I'd love to hear it in your air fryer. So my darlings, here's what I'm having for lunch. I made this salad today, and I'm gonna call it a Greek salad, but really it's not, because there's no red onion in here, and I don't have Greek dressing. But there is, I'll tell you what there is in here, is romaine lettuce, there's some black and green olives in there, and some cucumber, and I also have some coleslaw shred in there that has some cabbage and carrot shred, and also feta cheese. But I think I was going to use Italian dressing, but I think I'm just going to use my Caesar dressing, and I'm not going to do a protein today on my salad. I'm just going to eat my salad like this, just because I need to get some fresh greens into me. So this is what I'm having for my lunch. I'll show you it all tossed up. So here it is all tossed up. And I forgot to tell you, there is a little bit of broccoli in there and freshly ground pepper. So, good. This is healthy, and I'm going to go and sit and eat it now and enjoy. Hope you're all doing well. And look at what's outside my window. That's what's happening. It's a-snowing. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. This dinner is made from our Ninja Foodie air fryer. And I did the chicken drumsticks from scratch. And this is how they turned out. And these are our fries that I did up in the air fryer as well. And they probably could have used a little bit longer, the fries. But anyways, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. We're enjoying the air fryer. So yeah. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, my darlings. I'm making a little bit of breakfast for myself here, and so I'm cooking up some eggs. As you can see, I'm not the best at cooking eggs, but I've got my toast in, so I'm going to make like a fried egg sandwich kind of thing. So, good. I hope you're all having a great morning. Let me know how you like your eggs. If you like them, I don't know, sunny side up, scrambled, poached, fried. So here's my fried sandwich, egg sandwich, and I have a piece of cheese there. I have some cheese on there as well, and I'm having some cranberry juice, and I already had a banana. So this is my breakfast for today. Hope you're all having a great morning. Good. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I put together this pizza. It's a little sauce, some pepperonis, old cheddar cheese with some green olives, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese on there as well, and oregano. And if I had had some peppers, I would have put some on, and mushrooms too, but I didn't have that. So this is what we have. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Mange, mange, mange. It's pepperoni night, or pepperoni pizza night. Hope you're all having a great night. So this is the first time, as you can see, you can reheat food. So this is my first time doing that, and I was just reheating the pizza that I made the night before. So I'll let you know how that went, but this is, I don't know if you can see, but it looks like it crisped it up. So I'll let you know. And this is in the Ninja Foodie air fryer. So I tried the bake section there on my Ninja air fryer. I'm doing some butterfly shrimp. So let's see. They're done now. Let's see how if it worked out or not. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That looks wonderful. So I'm going to take the tails off of them and I made a salad. So I'll be right back. But look at that. I wish you could smell it in here. It smells wonderful. Awesome. Thumbs up. So here's my lunch, my darlings. This I'm having another salad again, but I did the butterfly shrimp as you would have seen the clip before. I did it in the butterfly shrimp in the Ninja Foodie air fryer, but I put it on bake and it did a wonderful job. And I took off the there's the I forget what it's called, the skins or whatever you want to call them. And so here we have it. I can't wait to get into this. It smells wonderful. Good. So this is what I'm having for lunch. Hope you all having a great lunch. We'll talk to you soon.